all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kashi Shetty here with the latest news. SC affirms state authority in law and order amidst Bengal's dispute. Supreme Court clarifies the state jurisdiction in law and order matters amid the West Bengal's challenge against CBI's investigative authority. Supreme Court has clarified about this law and order as a state subject. Justices Gavai and Mehta emphasize state responsibility, questioning CBI's unilateral investigative authority. West Bengal files suit under Article 131 against the union government, challenging CBI's jurisdiction without any prior consent. State withdraws consent under Section 6 of Delhi Police Special Establishment Act, contesting exclusive CBI jurisdiction over central government employee cases. About the ED, which is the Enforcement Directorate, the Enforcement Directorate is an Indian law enforcement as well as an economic intelligence agency. Its origin dates back to 1956, handling exchange control laws. It was renamed as the ED in 1957. Nodal ministry was the Department of Revenue as well as the Ministry of Finance. Objectives are enforce FEMA, PMLA as well as FEOA. About Article 131, Article 131 has granted SC exclusive jurisdiction over disputes between the state or between the state and the union. It covers legal disputes only, excluding all sorts of political matters. Supreme Court's jurisdiction does not extend to pre-constitutional agreements or certain water-related disputes. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.